guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so have you actually complained that you're not losing your belly fat, or are you among those categories of people in which you have the stubborn belly fat? Well, this natural homemade remedy is going to help you, but of course you also have to follow the rules of belly fat reduction, like stay away from some soda and excessive carbohydrates and some very sugary food, and also cold drinks and cold water. Okay, when you do all of those things, now incorporate this particular homemade remedy that I'm going to be showing you into your diet, and you are going to be on the way of losing all of those belly fats. Okay, so let's dive into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. Alright, for this belly fat remedy, we're going to be making use of this garden egg. Now garden egg helps to control cancer, it helps for blood, it increases the blood, and it's also helps for weight loss. It manages weight loss. It's great for liver health. It contains a lot of fiber and potassium, which supports the heart health. Okay, so using this would be really better. We're going to be needing lemon. Alright guys, so this is our local lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, and it also helps to control weight loss. It helps to remove belly fat, and it also helps to clean the colon. It helps for mood swing, and it also helps you really glow because of the vitamin C in lemon. Then we're going to be making use of green tea. Green tea contains numerous vitamins and a powerful antioxidant that helps to increase the body metabolism, and it also helps to remove all unwanted fat. It removes belly fat, and it also removes all stored and stubborn fat at the cell. And then we're going to be making use of ginger. Ginger is a great root that works in getting rid of nauseousness. It also gets rid of cold, cough, catarrh, and it also would be very beneficial when used with other natural remedies to remove belly fat. Okay guys, so there are two ways in which you can actually make this tea or this juice. You can actually make it as a juice, or you can actually make it as a tea. But for now, I'm going to be making it as a juice because the garden egg you need the fiber in this garden egg a whole lot, okay, so that it can work really well in reducing all of your belly fats. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to be cutting the garden egg. And yeah guys, you'd have to use green garden egg. There are two colors of garden egg that I know, the green one and the other one that is actually not really green but it's really huge. So the one you're going to use is this green garden egg. So you're going to cut it in pieces. So you're going to reach out for a blender, and then you're going to transfer this into a blender, and this is it. So the second one you're going to do is that you're going to prepare the ginger. Okay, so we would have to sanitize that. Okay, so we're going to be washing it, and then we're just going to be cutting it in pieces. So after that is done, we would have to also transfer that into the blender. So we're going to be reaching out for warm water. We'll have to infuse the tea, which is the green tea. So I'm going to be putting in hot water in this, and I'll be right back. What you're going to do is that you're going to allow this to induce, and then the color of the green tea is going to be out, and all of the benefits of the green tea is going to be in this water. Now after that is done, then we would allow the water cool down a whole lot. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to cut in lemon, and then you would have to be putting 1 full cut of lemon juice. So I'm going to be squeezing that into this. Okay guys, so now this is ready, and we're going to allow it to cool down a little bit. And for this particular one, we're going to be putting in a little bit of water, and then we're going to go blend it, and I'll be right back. So this is the garden egg and the ginger. Okay, so we're going to be putting it in another cup. And trust me guys, you do not need to sieve this out. Okay, all of it you would have to drink everything. Okay, so for this particular one you would have to remove the green tea. And yeah guys, this is how the green tea looks like, and this is the garden egg and the ginger. This is the garden egg and the ginger. Okay guys, so you would have to drink this first in an empty stomach first thing in the morning, and you have to drink it really warm, like really warm. Okay, warm enough for it to like burn your throat downwards into your stomach, and this is actually going to help you so much. Now after 30 minutes of drinking this, then you drink this. Now you can drink this normal, like normal room temperature. You don't need to drink it cold or warm, just a normal room temperature is perfect. And this is actually going to help you fill up. Okay, after drinking this, then you can drink 2 glasses of water and you're okay for the day. Okay, so this is the first one and this is the second one. Now when you drink these 2 ingredients for 2 weeks, okay, without taking junk food or all of those too much of carbohydrates or fatty food, you're going to see a whole lot of improvements and results. And this is how it looks like. And trust me guys, these are healthy natural fat remover, and it's going to burn all of your belly fat like magic. Okay, trust me on this and go try this out. And of course, do not take too much of fatty food. You know, skip the intake of soda for some time and try this out. This is actually going to help you so much. Generally, it's going to help you to burn down all of your weight. You would have to first of all take the green tea, and you know, and then later on you take the garden egg mix. Okay, and that is how it's going to help you. And trust me guys, when you're consistent in this and then you do away with all of those habits that I've told you in the beginning of this video, you are going to be on your way of losing all of your belly fat, and you are going to be, you know what I mean. So that's it guys. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. So bye guys.